What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Man, salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. Also, if you are a notification squad, represent in the comment section right now and let everybody know that you got those notifications on. I'm definitely gonna tap in with y'all as soon as this video is over with. Now, we got a lot of things new to the channel. You know, this is our segment where we cover live market news, everything that's going on, so you get the chance to be the most up to date that you can. So right now I'm just gonna get this stream together and make sure we got everything running right. Okay, that's live. Let's get the thumbnail correct. Let's see. Okay, that's not it. Let's see. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button as soon as you pull up on me. Let's see. Okay, we got the thumbnail up. Salute. Shout out to everybody pulling up on me right now. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up like button ASAP. Let me know you rocking with me. Drop a comment so I can shout everybody out. Hey, the video we dropped earlier today, that Shiba Inu, you have 24 hours. You better go check it out. You better go check it out if you haven't yet. So like I said, I'm just getting everything set up. Pull up. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up like button, man. Run the likes up for me. We've been dropping absolutely bangers. I'm talking about tons of content every day. Okay, we almost got everything set up. Okay, that's good. Okay. Salute to the notification squad. Shout out to everybody pulling up. Shout out to Oz. I see you in the comments. Drop your comments so I can shout you out. Now, we're going to get into some of this crypto news that we got going on right now, so y'all have the latest information. So let's see. So right now, top headlines, this is what we really want to pay attention to, you know, to kind of see, you know, is it a lot of FUD going on? Is it, you know, confidence going on? So crypto crash widens divide between rich and amateur traders. Why this crypto crash is different. Crypto hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital plunges into liquidation as market crash. So let's start, we'll start off with this one. Crypto hedge fund 3 Arrows. We talked a little bit about this one yesterday. So crypto hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital plunges into liquidation as market crash takes toll. Let's zoom in real quick. So major cryptocurrency hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital has fallen into liquidation. A person with knowledge of the matter told CNBC, marking one of the biggest casualties of the latest so-called crypto winter. Teneo has been brought on board in the last few days to deal with the liquidation process. The person, who requested anonymity, because they were not authorized to discuss the matter publicly, said. Sky News first reported the liquidation story. Three Arrows Capital, or 3AC as it is also known, did not respond to a request for a comment when contacted by CNBC. So we see that some of these exchanges are actually being liquidated right now. I talked to y'all yesterday about some of the riskier exchanges. Now, if you're one of the people that have your funds on one of those riskier exchanges, you might really want to go check that video out. And I'm talking about ASAP, because your portfolio depends on it. So the restructuring firm is taking steps to realize the assets 3AC has. Then it will set up a website in the next day or two with instructions for how creditors can get in touch to make any claims the source added. 3AC co-founded by Zhu Su and Kyle Davies, is one of the most prominent crypto hedge funds, which focus on investments in digital assets like cryptocurrencies around, and is known for its highly leveraged bets. Zhu has extremely bullish views on Bitcoin, but a slump in digital currency prices, which has seen billions of dollars wiped off the market in recent weeks, has hurt 3AC as exposed a liquidity crisis at the company. On Monday, 3AC defaulted on a loan from Voyager Digital made up of $350 million in the US dollar peg stablecoin USDC and 15,250 Bitcoin, worth about $304 million at today's prices. 3AC had exposure to the collapsed algorithmic stablecoin Terra USD and sister token Luna. The Financial Times reported earlier this month that US-based crypto lenders BlockFi and Genesis liquidated some of 3AC's positions, citing people familiar with the matter. 3AC had borrowed from BlockFi but was unable to meet the margin call. A margin call is a situation in which an investor has to commit more funds to avoid losses on a trade made with borrowed cash. The unwinding of 3AC has sparked contagion fears to parts of the market that could potentially be exposed to the company. Other cryptocurrency companies have also faced liquidity issues. Lending firm Celsius and crypto exchange CoinFlex were forced to pause withdrawals for customers, both citing extreme market conditions. CoinFlex, however, had another issue with a customer that failed to repay $47 million in debt, creating a liquidity problem for the company. So we can see a lot of people are drying up right now. Let's take a look at CoinDesk post why this crypto winter is different. It says there can be no return to the highly leveraged, fractionally reserved cryptocurrency system whose illusionary riches are now giving way to real losses, says our columnist. So this sounds interesting. Let's take a look at this, zoom in. So the centralized finance bubble is bursting. The non-fungible token craze is burning itself out. Algorithmic stablecoins are collapsing and crypto lenders are going bust. Crypto is in a bear market. Inevitably, crypto skeptics are calling the end of crypto. Psych. But the article doesn't say psych. I'm saying psych. But we've seen this kind of correction before, several times. In fact, in 2014, Bitcoin's price crashed when the Mt. Gox exchange collapsed. And in 2018, Bitcoin's price fell 80%. Hundreds of initial coin offerings crashed and burned. In both cases, the market eventually recovered and crypto prices rose higher than before. Even though Bitcoin has lost 70% of its dollar value since last November, it's still worth more than its December 2017 peak. So why not hodl on and wait for the market to recover? So, but this time is really different, driven by war and pandemic. A new macroeconomic paradigm is forming. High inflation is back after a 30-year absence, and with it, much tighter monetary policy. Interest rates are rising, and central banks around the world are burning money. The era of plentiful dollars is coming to an end, and that will mean persistently lower prices for cryptocurrencies. Crypto markets have never known anything but easy money. Bitcoin was born in the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis, when many people feared the central banks' experiment with ultra-low interest rates and quantitative easing would cause runaway inflation. 10 years later, interest rates were still far below pre-financial crisis levels, and central bank balance sheets were still massively inflated, and the runaway inflation predicted by Bitcoiners had failed to appear. Instead, asset prices had risen massively, including cryptocurrency prices, as investors desperate for yield piled into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. There was a brief period of relative dollar scarcity from 2016 through 2018 when the Fed raised interest rates and burned money, quantitative tightening, and the U.S. Treasury issued bonds, which also burns fiat money. But also the Fed tightened, other central banks loosened. QE, quantitative easing, never really did end it. So it just moved around the world. And in 2019, when dollar shortages caused disruptions on repo markets, the Fed started to inject money again. Then came the pandemic. As governments closed down businesses and handed out money to people unable to work, central banks embarked on the most exorbitant money creation program in history. Much of that found its way into the crypto markets, raising prices to unprecedented levels and fueling the rapid growth of high yield lending, complex synthetic assets, and toxic derivatives of a kind last seen before the 2008 financial crisis. While the real economy was shut down, there was a cryptocurrency feeding frenzy. Pension funds, hedge funds, software companies, football clubs, and celebrities all got in on the act, and many ordinary people made life-changing amounts of money. The crypto industry's luxuriant growth since Bitcoin emerged from the ashes of the financial crisis, and particularly since March 2020, can be directly attributed to the copious monetary fertilizer central banks have been pouring into the financial markets. But now we have inflation. Economists argue whether this inflation is principally caused by supply disruptions or excessive demand, and whether it will be transitory or long lasting. No matter, central banks under pressure to get inflation under control are rapidly moving the monetary fertilizer and getting out of the pruning shears. The market with the most luxuriant growth will suffer the sharpest cuts. It's perhaps easy to see why the end of easy money might spell disaster for those invested in a highly leveraged crypto bubble, but it's less obvious why it's causing Bitcoin to sell off. You'd think it would encourage people to pile into deflationary cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. After all, Bitcoin was originally intended to replace the dollar, and some people still think it eventually will. What better time to buy and hold the world's future currency than the start of the inflation Armageddon that will bring about the demise of the dollar as the world's principal reserve currency? But most of those invested in cryptocurrency now don't want to replace the dollar. Indeed, they fear its replacement. What they want is to get rich in dollar terms, so cryptocurrency prices are typically quoted in dollars. Most crypto transactions involve stable coins pegged to dollars, and dollars pegged to stable coins are widely used as safe collateral for crypto lending. The crypto ecosystem has tethered itself firmly to the traditional financial system, and the dollar dominates crypto markets just as it does traditional financial markets. And as crypto markets have grown, so has the dollar value of the cryptocurrency industry. But these dollars aren't real. They exist only in the virtual space. They are not and never were guaranteed by the only institution in the world that can create real dollars, namely the Fed. The Fed has no obligation whatsoever to ensure that those who made life-changing amounts of these virtual dollars can actually exchange them for real dollars. So when the crypto bubble bursts, the virtual dollars simply disappear. If you can't exchange your virtual dollars for real dollars, your wealth is an illusion. So let's add into something right there. You can exchange it at all times, unless they pause trading on a certain exchange or something. But you just have to do it while you're up. It's not saying that there's some illusion about it. Some people just end up holding longer than others and, end up giving those gains back to the market. So a lot of people made life-changing money, but they also fumbled around in other trades and end up giving all that money back. Why? Because they really didn't know what they were doing. That's why right now, I'm giving everybody the opportunity. Right now, if you're in the stream, you hear me. So I'm giving everybody the opportunity to take advantage of this offer that I have right now. I got 60% off my stock options trading course for those that want to learn how to trade stock options. As you can see, we did 122.95% gains overnight. This is one night on a contract betting that the market would go down. So have you been feeling, pain all the time because the market is going down and down and down and you're not making any money? Then you need to learn this skill right here. My stock options trading course is 60% off for those that are on my channel. Make sure you reach out to me if you're interested. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Do not wait until the price goes up. It is 60% off right now. So email me if you want to take advantage of that. And, we'll get it in. So let's get back to this. So there's now a race on to exchange cryptocurrency for the few real dollars still available. As is always the case in unregulated markets, the law of the jungle applies. Those with the biggest teeth get the dollars. Perhaps whales is the wrong name for them. Crocodiles might be more like it. When everyone is trying to cash out cryptocurrencies into increasingly scarce dollars, cryptocurrency prices rapidly fall to the level at which they are sufficient dollars in the system for everyone to be able to cash out. For derivatives and synthetics, that probably means zero. After all, if the underlying assets are falling rapidly in price, who is going to want the derivatives? And synthetics are, as their name suggests, not real. When there's a flight to reality, unreal things are worthless. If tighter money is the If tighter money is here to stay, as many expect, then continuing dollar scarcity will make it impossible for crypto to rise again as it has before. Rather, it will have to adapt to the new paradigm. It could return to its roots, eschewing the dollar and valuing crypto only in terms of itself. BTC equals 1 BTC, as Bitcoin maximalists like to remind us. Alternatively, it could attract more real dollars by developing real world use cases rather than relying on network effects to pump up dollar values that are unrealizable in practice. But this is unlikely to generate the high dollar values of the past. While the Fed is doing monetary tightening, and there is no Fed guarantee or Federal Deposit Insurance Corp insurance for cryptocurrency deposits, there can be no return to the highly leveraged, fractionally reserved cryptocurrency system whose illusionary riches are now giving way to real losses. So basically what they're talking about here is, obviously this writer is really upset, about what's going on, but he's just basically saying, the Fed is not going to pump that much money in. We seeing so much money get just injected into the markets. People are getting stimulus checks back to back, unemployment, loans were going out at extremely low interest rates, so now they're increasing interest rates, making it more expensive to borrow money, which is gonna, like they said, tighten the money supply. And they're also basically, burning some of the money supply as well to bring down, or what they call quantitative easing. So very interesting times. They're saying they're getting this money supply under control. So unless we see some new type of situation in the market like we seen during the pandemic, where a lot of money was pumped in, it's going to be really hard to return to those all-time level highs. So it could possibly take another 2 to 3 years to do that in the worst case scenario. This is not financial advice. Could it take longer than 2 to 3 years? Absolutely could. But that's just my throw in there, that before we reach all-time highs, we might have potentially, just like the market happens in cycles, we usually get 2 years bear market, 2 years bull market. Just finished out that bull market, we're about almost a halfway period, into this bear market basically. So things are definitely looking good for long-term investors, those that are waiting for the prices to fall down further to be able to buy more of those assets for the longer term. Y'all don't have to worry. It's looking good for us on that side. And I also have multiple bags to be able to take profit from, just in case things are blowing up basically. Now also, let's take a look at this chart real quick, Tesla. So look at this move that we caught. Look at this move, man. This was so fire. We caught this yesterday. Shout out to everybody rocking with me. If you haven't seen this video, I highly recommend you go see it. Check out yesterday's video. We charted this up. So we did this, we charted everything up, and then we did this live, our prediction of where we felt the price would drop to. I called it to this demand zone here, to this area that we see on the chart, this blue area right here. Notice the price fell exactly to this blue area and then bounced up. So we got all this profit from here all the way on down to make 122.95% overnight, y'all. So whatever you would have put in, you would have basically more than doubled your money. So that's absolutely crazy when you think about it. So if you would have put in $100, basically at the end you would have had $122 profit on top of your original investment, on top of the 100. So you would have wound it up with $222. You would have put 1,000, that would have been 1,200 in some profit. So you would have ended up with 2,200 something, at the end of that. So excellent play right here. We took another option out here, betting that it would swing open or swing higher for open tomorrow, and we're gonna hopefully close that right away once the market opens for a profit. So check that video out if you haven't. If you don't understand how this is happening or what this is, and I highly recommend you go tap into this video so you can learn yourself how to do these types of numbers. 122% overnight. There's no other channel that I've seen, it's not a diss to anybody, that does stock options trading that also covers shibainu and other meme coins. Most people that understand this level of trading and information, they're not wasting their time, or what they say, they're not going to waste their time over here with basically, I say it's shit coins, that's what they call them. And, so to be able to have somebody who understands this level of information but can bridge it with the meme coin space is very, very valuable. This is how I was able to help a lot of my students make 6 and 7 figures. So if you haven't hit that point yet, you should definitely be tapping in with me for this course. Yes, I have students that have created 6 figures off of this course here. Join my private investment community on Facebook, private stock market game, if you want to see all the students' results, man. Shout out to all everybody rocking with me. So let's get back into this news, see what else we got. If we type in Shiba Inu, we can see we got a couple headlines right here. Let's see one of the most recent ones that we got. So 400 trillion Shiba Inu burnt, but SHIB still trails bigger in price growth. So let's see what they're talking about here. So one of the biggest news that Shiba Inu released a few weeks ago was the burn portal. The Shiba Inu team launched the burn portal to help address the issue of the massive supply of the SHIB tokens. The adoption of the burn portal has been impressive so far. In fact, over 400 trillion tokens have been burned. However, the Shiba Inu coin has not had the expected price growth, even with the huge number of Shiba Inu tokens out of supply. The SHIB price has not made huge growth. In fact, during the past few weeks, the SHIB price declined to 5 zeros. Although, and we called that out first. So if you like knowing where the market is moving before it actually makes that move, that's another reason why you need to subscribe and have your notifications on. Make sure you hit that bell icon so you get this information as soon as it drops. Now, let's see, to 5 zeros, although the coin has recovered the zero over the last few days, and we called it once it dropped back under, and we knew that it was going back above and called that it was going under again. This is why you need to be subscribed and have on notifications. But however, Shiba Inu is still trailing Bitrise in terms of performance. In fact, Bitrise was doing so well when Shiba Inu was posting a sharp decline. Unlike Shiba Inu, Bitrise is one of the crypto projects with real utility. Okay, so they hating on us right here. This was a FUD article right here. They just used our name in there to draw some viewers in and basically mention their token. So speculation fuels Shiba Inu's 7-day fuels Shiba Inu dogecoin to biggest 7-day gains as Bitcoin. So we talked about that already. The Motley Fool, we already know they don't got nothing good to say about Shiba Inu unless the price is rocketing, then they'll say something good. Okay, now let's take a look at Federal Reserve news, because this is very important to understand, a macro level of what's happening. A lot of people look at their favorite coins and feel upset that their coin is down without doing any due diligence on the overall market and seeing, what's going on. So let's take a look at some of these headlines. Watch Fed Chair Powell talk live about the economy, interest rates at ECB forum. I've been telling y'all that he was gonna have this meeting. If you follow along, you knew that he was meeting now, and they'll also be meeting again in July. So Fed Powell says clock is running to bring inflation down. Fed Chair, no guarantee Fed can ease inflation without hurting job market. So look at these titles that we got. We got our chairman of the Federal Reserve letting us know that things might come down. So let's see. Okay, Michael Burry, the star of the movie that was made after him, The Big Short, he warns the Fed may change their course. So let's see. Can we get this article? Okay, we can't get that one. But for those that don't know who Michael Burry is, he basically was the one who made the most money during the 2008 financial crisis. He bet that the housing market would go down. Some people make the most money betting that the market would go down. This is why I tried to introduce y'all to stock options trading. You will be waiting for a while for, this is not financial advice, but we could be waiting for a while, up to 2 to 3 years, for prices to go back to all-time highs. If you're okay with waiting until then to see any gains, then that's perfectly fine. Or you should be buying the dip in order to get gains sooner. But if you're just holding, and you already got your position size that you want, and you're not looking to add, but you still want to make money during this time, then you should be learning about how to trade options, because you can make money when the market goes up. You can also make money when the market goes down. It's very important. Look how much the market has dropped over these last, over the last month. Imagine if you knew this strategy to be able to bet on the downside, you would have made a ton of money. So that's the news we got for right now. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to the Vote Army for pulling up. In case y'all didn't know, we have an AMA coming to the channel. So there will be a Vote Inu AMA on my channel real soon. Shout out to Oz. Shout out to Michi. Shout out to Crypto Surfer. Shout out to Jackie Johnson. Shout out to Tillery Mills. Shout out to Samuel Hook, one of our channel members. Shout out to Venom. Shout out to Angry Lion. Shout out to Pepsi Aaron. Shout out to Donnie Tucker. Shout out to Rising Phoenix. Shout out to Jonathan Salute. Yeah, shout you know, we got the spammers out of here, man. They pull up sometimes and try to get their spam on. Remember, always be careful in the description section, or I mean, excuse me, in the comment section. People telling you to message them and WhatsApp them, those are all scammers. It is not me telling you to message me. I would not message you first. So let me know. Does anybody want to take advantage of this 60% off the stock options trading course right now while we are live on the stream? Right now, let me know. 60% off right now. You want to take advantage of this. The course price is $2,500 normally. Right now, you can get it for 60% off. That means the course price is available for $1,000 right now for a limited time. This information is very, very valuable. Once you learn this, you will have a new skill that you will use. You know, basically, you can use it every day of the week because stock options trading moves with the stock market. So as the stock market closes, options trading closes. As it opens, option trading opens as well. So, you know, but you're adding a new skill to the tool belt that will make you, you know, I can't do any, you know, financial claim numbers, but it'll make you a lot more than you invested into yourself. So let me know, is somebody interested in taking advantage of this opportunity right now? Let me know if you like gains, man. Salute. Samuel Hook said Luna going crazy. Let's take a look at Luna. I did see that one up about 60% earlier. To be honest, I wanted to stay away from it, man, because y'all know. But, you know, congratulations to those who did catch it, though. Nice play. See, you know, it was up 60% last I checked it. I don't know what it's up right now if it continued to move. But let's see. Okay, so it pulled back a little bit. It's at 51% right now. So that's a good play. 51% is an excellent, you know, play. Very, very risky, you know, but, you know, that's still a good play. But, you know, right there, 47% right now. But if you would have tapped in with me to learn how to trade these options, you could have got 122% overnight. So the same time frame that you people made this money with Luna overnight, 60%, could have doubled that trading options. So definitely tap in with me. Stock options trading is the move. You definitely should know how to do this. Salute, shout out to Michi. He said buy that course. He's somebody else that bought the course and it is definitely paying off for him. Salute, shout out to Samuel Hook. He said I took gains. That's what I'm talking about. Take some of that money off the table. That trading app is Robinhood. I like to, you know, keep things simple for y'all, especially those just starting out. You know, of course, a lot of people don't like Robinhood. It's not the best exchange. I don't have most of my things on there, but I'm using it for options trading because it is the most user-friendly for beginners to easily understand what they're doing. And options trading can sometimes be intimidating to those just getting started out. Now, Terra Classic, you know, it had a nice run, but if you really want to know how to make some money and do this, you know, on your own, you know, whether the market is going up. See, these people only made money when the market went up. Luckily, this one went up. We made money because the market went down, which the overall market went down. This was just one of the luckier ones that, you know, so that had some gains today. So it was very risky. But if you can understand how to do technical analysis, interpret that, okay, tomorrow the market will be moving down. Let me buy a put option contract and bet that the market will fall. You're going to make a killer, man. 122% gains in one night, overnight, man. This is no cap. The video is on the channel live. Not too many people will even show you this live. You know, they won't. They'll wait to. They will wait until after a successful trade and let you know how it went. I set up the chart, let you know we were gonna take the trade, let you know when we entered the trade, let you know what we were gonna do the next day, told you where the price was gonna likely fall to, because I wish I had a crystal ball and I could just do this all the time, you know, 100% accurately. But we estimated where the price was likely to fall to, and look, 122%, man. This is real. I gotta keep telling y'all, yeah, 47% gains is nice, 60% gains is nice, especially in one day. You know, you really can't beat it unless you're doing options trading, you know. So shout out to everybody that already got the course. Okay, Samuel Hook said last night it was up 89%. Nice. Shout out to Dilute Spice. Which course has your alerts on what you do? So it's not alerts. I'm teaching you how to options trade yourself. I'm teaching you how to do this yourself. You know, they say give a man a fish, you know, he'll eat for that time period. But you teach a man to fish, you know, and he'll eat for a lifetime. So yeah, I could give you an alert on how, you know, which options I'm getting into, when I'm getting into them. But I would much rather y'all really learn this skill for yourself. So that way, if I'm not around, you know, not available, you're able to still make some money. So let me know, do we got anybody ready to take advantage of this discount on the course? 60% off right now. Let's take a look at the chart again. See where prices are. Oh, I almost forgot to let y'all know. I got a special announcement. So I've been telling y'all during the downtime, you want to build your skills. You know, if for those that aren't able to take advantage of this discount that we see in the market right now, if you're not or able to because you know you're low on funds, you know, you don't have an extra stream of income coming in, or you already, you know, put all the money that you could. Not saying go crazy or anything like that, but if you just would like to buy some other assets and you didn't have the funds because you don't have the skills to create another stream of income, I got something for y'all. So, you know, very, man, this is dope. This is dope. I really don't even know what to officially call it yet, but we got a platform where y'all can go to, you know, a lot of different books, courses, educational material that y'all can take advantage of and get it for a very, very, very cheap price. So you can find access to valuable information that will help you build up your skills, that will teach you how to make money. So now you got an extra stream of income, and now you're able to participate and take advantage of the times that we're seeing now. I think the market is going to give us a few months to be able to accumulate more crypto before we see a breakout, at least to 2023. Now, it's not financial advice. I'm not for sure, but I think we have at least that amount of time. So that's enough time to build a new skill, start generating some extra income on the side, and start taking advantage of some of these discounts of your favorite assets. So let me know if you're interested in that. The mega store, where you can it's basically like a library, man. So the course, if you're interested in getting the course, email me DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. So overall crypto market under 900 billion. You know, eventually, especially if we get a meeting July and federal chairman tells us a 75 basis point increase, then I expect to see markets, you know, pull back a little bit more. So we just gotta wait and let it play out, man. You know, dollar cost averaging over time is, you know, the best strategy, because time in the market beats trying to time the market and get the bottom exactly. So salute to everybody we got in the stream. Make sure y'all run those likes up. We just had almost 50 people in here. Salute. Tap in. Let me know if you want to take advantage of the course. Shout out to Flamingo Pairs pulling up on us. Right now, you can get my stock options trading course for 60% off, and you can learn how to trade options. Make money whether the market is going up or down. How many people are tired of waiting until the market goes up until you see gains? And then if you don't take profit when you see those gains disappear right away. So you're basically getting a, you know, how we just read that article and it's saying like the money was basically kind of fake, and unless you actually can take it out. Now, this is a way that, you know, not saying that crypto money is fake, because we all know it's not. You just have to take profit when you're up in profits. But this is a way that you will be a lot more likely to take those gains off the table. Tap in to get the stock options trading course, man. Highly recommend it. 60% off. Do not wait until the price go up and then realize this is a skill that you want to add to your tool belt. So salute. Shout out to everybody rocking with me. Those that just pulled up, make sure you hit that thumbs up like button. See if we got any new news before on SHIB before we get up out of here. So now we are at the shibainu Reddit page. This is where you can come find a lot of information, but really you'll be better off, you know, just subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications, and hitting that bell icon, because I'm gonna bring you all the most important Shiba Inu news. You don't have to filter through everything that everybody is talking about, wasting your time, when you could be using that time to either study or do something else more valuable. You know, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, and hit the bell icon. So let's see what our community is talking about. So someone here says, rush to cryptos. My opinion, the news is talking about a recession, but the truth is we are looking at a total worldwide global financial collapse. It's coming soon. It's already happening with hedge funds getting caught not able to cover hundreds of billions in uncovered borrowed stock margins calls, which is the tip of the iceberg. 50% or more of the world's markets are counterfeit. They're made with black bull runs and black bear runs, but the problem is that they have been caught with their pants down and has hit the fan. The governments will let crypto move along and they will try to control it as it matures, but they won't succeed. Blockchain can allow for new coins to be developed. Users can do wallet-to-wallet transactions which aren't capable of being monitored or controlled by anyone. The fear everyone should have is when the global collapse happens, the mass majority of citizens will be totally reliant on governments to eat and live, and this is the way the governments have been able to control the masses in the past. So he's saying there's basically going to be a crash. Someone else says, shibainu brothers and sisters, dog's #1 trait is loyalty. I'm glad I'm in the pack with every one of you. I give my honor and my word. I'll buy, hodl, and never sell. I want to see us look at beating Dogecoin as a molehill. We will climb past Bitcoin and call it our training grounds. So some people, that say never sell, it's like, sheesh, when do you ever expect to take some profits if you're never gonna sell? I get hodling, diamond handed, I'm all for it. But, I want to see y'all taking some cherries off the top as well, to be able to, reward yourself for the risk that you took. I'm not saying you have to take profits sooner than you expect, sooner than your investment horizon. But, to say you're never going to sell, like, damn, when does the money come in? And if you're never, ever going to sell, it's like, okay, maybe people just might be a little motivated or, hyped up saying that. But that's my thought on that. Let's see. Coinbase trading activity, 92% buy, 7% sell. I see extreme greed, not good. So let's see what else. Shiba Inu's 48% spike causes frenzy and relief to investors. Let me know, did that 48% spike in price give y'all any relief? Did you feel relieved when that happened? Shout out to Flamingo Paris at Facts 100. Shout out to Mo Rossi said, D, just found you a week ago. Where can I get to see the course info? You can email me DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. If you're ready to take advantage of this discount that I got on the course right now, 60% off. So that's what we got for crypto news. Now, I just want to give y'all another opportunity. One more opportunity, to be able to pay attention to this and take advantage. 122% gains in one night. If you want to learn how to do this, reach out to me to get my stock options trading course. DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Do not wait until the price is higher. Right now, during a bear market, is the time to learn new skills. It's the time to add to your knowledge. So that way, when things start turning around, well, with what I'm teaching, you can make money even while the market is going down. But especially when things begin to turn around, especially if you know how to do options trading, you're going to make a killing, man. You're going to make a killing. When you start catching those, the bull runs and the bear runs on either side, you just start printing. So reach out to me, 60% off on that. That's all we got for this just in live crypto news. Shout out to everybody for pulling in. Queen of Red Sea said, how high do you estimate it may go with the shibarium? With shibarium seeing as Robinhood didn't do much to the price. So I'm looking at key support or key resistance levels. Let's go back and take a look. So price is trying to pick up right now, up almost 1%. So just right away on the day chart, if we take a look, we got a resistance level at the 12 level, 14 level. We may even see a pushback up to 15s if shibarium is released. Because, I'm trying to gauge, how excited are people really about shibarium? Because I see one half of people upset about not being able to use Shiba Inu with it, saying that they won't use it. And then some people are just kind of going with the flow. Let me know, will you be using shibarium? So in order to use shibarium, you must hold bone. Now, let me know, are you going to be using shibarium? That would help me kind of gauge, trying to, get a survey out of the audience right now. That would kind of help me gauge the, the sentiment, and the sentiment will kind of let me know, is it bullish or bearish on shibarium's release? And, will people, basically hold enough for us to break through to certain levels. So let me know if y'all are excited about Shibarium and will be actually using it. Don't forget, email me ASAP if you're interested in getting the stock options trading course. I highly recommend it. You know what? I'm gonna do something right now absolutely crazy. Let's see. Okay, so shout out to my partners. I'm sponsoring with the sponsoring the channel. I want y'all to check this out, man. So I partnered up with them to bring y'all this information, some fire information for the absolute low. If you use this link that I give you, you get these prices that you see here. So let me show you. So I'm gonna give you the website, right? Y'all pay attention real quick because I'm about to do something crazy. I'm gonna let one person get my course as a bonus. So as a bonus, right now, all you have to do, the first person that puts an order in on this on the digital store will get my course, my $2,500 course, for a bonus. So basically for free on top of it. So I'm about to give you all this website right now. They have products on here as low as $12. Books, highly educational material that I recommend. Y'all know I go crazy with the books. Y'all know I'm a avid reader. I got if y'all haven't seen my book collection in the other room, almost like 500 books in there on the shelf. Really, we do our class of better informed investors where we go over some of these books as well. But this is a site that has some fire information. So the first person to come here and purchase something, you know, I'll get an email from them letting me know that you know, you grabbed something. I will email that person. You'll get my course airdropped to you. So basically, it's an airdrop of basically $2,500 value, man. And I honestly believe the course is worth more than that because I got people that made 6 and 7 figures from this information. So I'm about to drop the website for y'all right now. First person to go cop something will get my $2,500 stock options trading course airdropped to them absolutely free. So the website is financialfreedom.shop. Financialfreedom.shop. It is not .com. It's financialfreedom.shop. Check the website in the description, or not the description, but the comment section of this video. So head over there real quick. Let me show y'all this. Real quick. First person purchases something, I'll get the notification only to the first person, and they will get my stock options trading course for $2,500 value, absolutely free as a bonus. So come check out this website right here, financialfreedom.shop. Now, you can get access to 500 digital products or a library of over 150 different video courses. Now let's go into this real quick, just so y'all can see some of the you know, the products that are offered here. This is where you come get leveled up. If you need a new skill to be able to generate some more passive income on the side, or not just passive income, but just to generate some income on the side, I highly recommend you come check this out. Now, this is a book I highly recommend you can get started with. It's called 1% Better Every Day. Y'all might have heard me say that a few times. Just work and try to improve yourself so you get better 1% every day. And, you know, eventually you'll be the best version of yourself. So I recommend you come check out this book here, 1% Better Every Day, as well as a beginner's guide to visualization. And also for those looking for more crypto information, this Bitcoin breakthrough. Tap in, check these 3 books out. There's a lot more information here, a ton of books for, you know, whatever you want to learn, especially if y'all are interested in entrepreneurship and marketing. Have a ton of stuff here. So Amazon FBA success, if you ever seen people doing Amazon, making a ton of money doing that. Affiliate marketing success, so you can check out this book as well. Let's see what else we got here. Boost your website traffic. These are, you know, Once you learn the stuff that is inside these books, now you can start to take this information and charge other people for it. So again, it is salute. Tap in, come check this out. It's financialfreedom.shop. The first person to, you see these books listed at only $12. The first person to purchase from here will get airdropped my $2,500 stock option trading course as a bonus. So don't wait. Or you can just use the 60% off and get it directly if you don't want to purchase something from here. Let's see. Ton of different information, you know, music loops, HTML templates for different types of websites for if you already have a business or you're looking at starting one of these businesses, some templates already ready to go for you. Also, let's take a look at the e-learning store. So here's some of the things you can find here. Video courses for absolutely, basically dirt cheap. And they're very, very informative. So Facebook page marketing hero, you can get this right now for only $47. Don't wait until these prices go up on this site, y'all. Prices are already slashed right now, so you definitely want to come take advantage. This financialfreedom.shop. Come check it out. Also, amazing email marketing hero, $47 course. Reddit marketing, $47 course. Instagram marketing, if you want to learn how to grow. Let's take a look at this. So material includes 2 hours on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile, tablet, and desktop. Let's see. So Instagram is the social network of the new generation. It's the place where youngsters hang out and interact. The audience is billions strong and growing. It already has a breed of ultra successful influencers and marketers who have used Instagram for everything from pushing social causes, philanthropy, to building massive businesses with nothing else but their Instagram influence. If you have anything to say, then Instagram is one of the best platforms to say it, especially if you can say it visually. In this course, we will start without any assumptions. We'll start from the very beginning, showing you the basics and guide you step by step to turn you into an expert level Instagram marketer. You'll know all about using Instagram for the best possible results, no matter what your objective is. So you'll learn how to set up a great profile, use hashtags correctly, get people to your web pages from Instagram, how to sell on Instagram, very, very important skill to learn, and also how to build a massive following on Instagram. So this is information. Once you learn this skill, you can turn around and use this skill to help generate more income by helping others, you know, with their Instagram marketing. So tap in. Tap in ASAP. You get the opportunity to get my $2,500 course. The first person will get airdropped the course to their email. YouTube ads. Do you know how much people are paying people that know how to run YouTube ads right now? If you learn how to do YouTube ads, that is extremely profitable. So if y'all look at some of my earlier content on the channel, it was talking about social media marketing and things like that. This is some of my background. You can make a ton of money learning this skill. So this course here is 1.5 hours, only an hour and a half, full lifetime access on mobile, tablet, and desktop. So here's what you'll learn. So about the course, YouTube is the world's #1 social networking site right now, without more visitors than any other site, with more visitors than any other site online except Google. And YouTube is owned by Google, just in case y'all didn't know. So it's also the site where people want to stay and watch the content instead of moving to another piece of content very quickly. That's why if you're looking to get maximum returns from your ad spending, then YouTube is the perfect platform for you today. All you need to do is target it correctly with your ads. In this intense but quick crash YouTube ads marketing hero course, we will show you everything you need to do to run video ads successfully, even if you haven't run video ads before. And yes, you don't have to have any of You don't have to have any video ads ready. We'll also show you how to get good quality video ads made for pennies. So what you'll learn: YouTube ads marketing, using YouTube ad placement successfully, running profitable campaigns on YouTube, and targeting on YouTube. This is an absolutely fire course. I highly recommend you go tap in, and you can get this course right now for only $47, y'all. Tap in, man. That is financialfreedom.shop, not com. It is financialfreedom.shop. Learn how to increase your skills so that way you can generate more income. This discount that we see in the market will not last forever, and you're gonna wish that you would have bought more. That's probably gonna be a lot of y'all only regret. The ones that stick through with me, the ones that, you know, are here for the full time. Some of y'all only regret might be wishing that you bought more when prices were low. You're gonna look at these prices one day and be absolutely baffled that you did not buy more. Now, this is just my opinion, but I've seen this happen time and time again. I've been around the block in the game a few times, so, you know, I can spot out different things that happen. I know history in some forms repeats itself. So, you know, I've seen many times where I thought the prices were high, and then I went back and looked, you know, after, you know, a year or two, and I was like, wow, absolutely bonkers. Can't believe that I didn't just, you know, go crazy on that asset right there. So tap in with me. That's all we got for this video. Let me know if y'all got any questions. Salute. I highly recommend you go tap in with the with this site, financialfreedom.shop. I highly recommend you go catch some, man. Do not wait until these prices go up. Prices are slashed here right now. Let's look at some of the other material inside of here. So let's say awaken your true calling. Fire. But let me read the description to this 1% better everyday ebook, because this is fire. This is absolutely fire. So all of us have goals and aspirations and perfect versions of ourselves that we imagine. We all want to have better abs, better teeth, more confidence, and more money. And every now and then we get sick of just wanting those things, and we endeavor to do something about it. We approach our goals in completely the wrong way. We are looking for drastic change. We want to see immediate results, but that's not how improvement really works. In Japan, there is a concept known as kaizen. It comes from the world of manufacturing, and it basically describes continual improvement. What is meant by that is the process of making small incremental changes which can add up to huge benefits. In this guide, you will learn to master the art of kaizen, and to take a much more effective approach to change in every area of your life. And what's more is that you'll find that this change is exponential. Every time you improve one area of your life, countless others will change as well. I highly recommend you tap in and get this. You can get the book along with the video course right now for only $27, y'all. These prices are slashed for y'all. Come check this out ASAP. Do not wait till these prices go up. So let's see what else we got over here. I want to just show y'all my collection right now so y'all can see, you know, how many books I got. A lot of y'all already seen my collection, but a lot of y'all don't even know. So let's see. So also, here's a course on landing high ticket clients. So it's called High Ticket Client Secrets. If you want to learn, if you have a business, if you are an entrepreneur already, and you want to learn how to sell higher ticket offers, that means, you know, not impulse purchases, something like basically something low like this, like 12, 15 bucks. Those are considered impulse purchases because they're low price. The price is so low, basically people aren't really caring about it. You wasted less money on coffee, or you wasted more money on coffee or McDonald's than you know, $10, $12 for an ebook. But this course right here is teaching you how to get high ticket clients. So this can be, you know, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, you know, $100,000 clients, depending on what your offer is. So definitely recommend this. And the reason why I'm taking some time to go into this is because a lot of y'all told me, you know, you're basically you don't have the means to be able to buy the dip right now. A lot of people say, you know, I'm out of funds to buy the dip. If you're out of funds to buy the dip, you should be investing in yourself, something low like this that can give you a return, that can give you a skill that you can then in turn use to monetize and make more money. Now you have another stream of income that you can use for your investment income. Then you take income from that and you reinvest it back into more opportunities. And that's how you start to reach financial freedom. So come to financialfreedom.shop if you want to take advantage of this offer. These prices are unbeatable right now. You will be absolutely crazy to miss out on these discounts right now. Here's also another course, 6-figure business. So if you like to learn how to create a 6-figure business, you can come grab this right now for only $12, y'all. Do not sit on the sidelines and let this opportunity pass you. This is a chance. A lot of people is waiting on a signal, an indicator. This is it. Check this out. About the course, the 6-figure business video course will teach you how to start an online business in 30 days or less. No stones are left unturned. When you get your hands on this now, you will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. But most people that start online businesses fail. They do not use the right approach to setting up their online business and making it a success. To create a successful online business, you have to know what works and what doesn't. It is much tougher to start and maintain a successful online business that most people think. To make it easy, we've put together a step-by-step training course that will show you exactly how it's done. So here's a quick preview, just a preview of what you'll get. So why to start an online business, choosing the right online business model, setting up your 6-figure online business, very, very important. Setting goals for your online business, traffic generation. A lot of people, you know, got these ideas but don't know how to generate traffic for the idea. This teaches you how to do that. Marketing your online business plan, or your online business, your 30-day plan, scaling your online business, and best practices for your 6-figure online business. Y'all, I highly recommend you come tap in and take advantage of this education. You can get this right now for a limited time for $12. $12, an entire course on how to make a 6-figure business. Don't do yourself a disservice. Don't sell yourself short. Treat yourself when it comes to education. Do not cheat yourself when it comes to it. I learned a long time ago, you basically get I learned a 50 to 1000x return on every book or course that you take in. This is a principle that I heard a long time ago, and I just always stuck by it. That's why I continue to read and take in so much education, because it always pays off for me on the back end. So come tap in. Creating your first physical product, hiring and outsourcing, Facebook Live mastery, client engagement, also how to put autopilot niches and how to generate profit from them, passive income. Okay, so y'all can come tap in again. It's financialfreedom.shop. Remember, it's not .com. Financialfreedom.shop. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Again, I'm DecemberDeMarco. Tap in with me personally if you would like to get my stock options trading course for 60% off. You have to email me for that course, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, and we are out.